in the end on your lane, stupid ass. Yeah, nigga dealing over there directing traffic. That nigga saying that shit.
No, keep the vibe, you know what I'm saying? They got the whips, all that shit, you know what I'm saying? They got a T-Rex over there somewhere, but beat this bitch though. This bitch sick, you know what I'm saying?
I told him crash. Only G driving, you know that he ain't going shit but fast.
Shit but fast. Yeah.
Feel like I walked in the party with Prada shades on. Lens as dark as the night. I'm the black sheep of the family. My heart cold as ice. Might as well start showing the fake love, no, cause you wasn't doing it right. If I roll a king size for all my problem, then that shit'll burn all night. If I roll me a joint whenever I get stuck, then I find my way to go. If I start making all this goddamn money, can't be the black sheep no more. Can't celebrate with me cause you was happy whenever I was broke. Can't celebrate with me cause you was happy whenever I was broke. Feel like every time something go wrong, then I'm getting blamed for it. Told both of us put a hand out, but in there you never gave me shit. You said you love me, but I feel like you treat me so different. I know I ain't your favorite, but we is a big family, so I guess it came with it. You showed me fake love, you treated me like the neighbor's kid. Donated my heart, I ain't get paid for it. They say that blood thicker than water, and they think that's major shit. But I just sticking up my water and put flavor in. Like I walked in the party with Prada shades on. Lens as dark as the night. I'm the black sheep of the family, and my heart cold as ice. Might as well stop showing the fake love now, cause you wasn't doing it.
Whoa, how y'all doing? You know what I'm saying? You know, peep the vibes, you know what I'm saying? They got the whips out and shit, you know what I'm saying? They got a T-Rex over there somewhere, but peep this bitch though. This bitch sick, you know what I'm saying? That bitch cleaned up. You know what I'm talking about? You know what I'm saying? That bitch look good. That bitch slow. This bitch fast. Yeah. Walk with me though. Look at that bitch over there. I need him. That's the address. 2035.
Everybody roll out. Over there. Let's have a fly ass done.
Ooh, that bitch look good, you know what I'm saying? This is unfamiliar scenes for y'all, you know what I'm saying? Y'all don't know where we at, what we doing, none of that. But I'm finna let y'all know though, this bitch look good, you know what I'm talking about? Ooh, they coming through that bitch. That bitch look good, hold on. And she dropping the top on Tahj. She shitting on you. She shitting on you. Whoa, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy Phantom, you know what I'm saying? We way down in that city. We in New Orleans with you, know what I'm saying? I'm finna get y'all some raw content, that's all I'm gonna say. Hey, that's a hard ass background though. They got the whips all over there and shit, you know what I'm saying? Ooh, look at that bitch. to the next spot. You know what I'm saying? Watch out, they were about to. He can't. Ooh, shit. Get him out the pit. Get him out the pit. See? Yeah, we chilling at a little gas station spot right now, but we still in New Orleans type shit, of course, you know what I'm saying? We at this little gas station trying to see if niggas gonna do something or something, you know what I'm saying? Tahj want me to slide, but that's a no-go, you know what I'm talking about? Told him slide his shit. You know what I'm saying? Me and Tahj stopped to get something to eat type shit, you know what I'm saying? You see that motherfucker? You see the bikes and shit, man? I'm finna get me a motherfucking bike, man. Look at the GT coming through this bitch. Stop playing. I need to get me a motherfucking bike though. I ain't gonna care. But if this is the last clip of the vlog, I just want to thank y'all for watching, you know what I'm saying? Thank y'all for subscribing and liking the videos. Continue to support me for you. Yeah. God damn, that shit was live. Boy, tacos and beer. Boy, they got that shit in that motherfucker. Them talking, you know what I'm talking about? That shit good as hell. But we finna go on the Telegram, see if they got another spot, and if they do, then we ain't looking. If we don't, then I'ma fuck with y'all. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah, you like how I did that though. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah, look up. Stupid bowling pin head ass. But oh yeah. But yeah, if they don't got another spot, then this is the last segment of the video, and I just wanna say I appreciate y'all for all the support y'all been giving a nigga, you know what I'm talking about? Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, you know what I'm saying? Go follow Tahj's channel so he can start vlogging and shit, cause he be bullshitting and shit, but you know,
Yeah, you see we out here in NOLA. We trying to get y'all a different vibe, trying to get y'all different videos and shit. We really finna start traveling on you fuck niggas. You know what I'm talking about? So, yeah.
Yeah, man, you dumb bitches.
Yeah, but yeah, I'm gonna fuck with it.